We had a thunderstorm last night. Glorious thunderstorm, lightning everywhere, loud thunder. It was awesome. Still sprinkling out a little bit here. I decided, what the hell, come visit one of my fave trails, the Sava River Trail Loop. As you can kind of see, it's a wet one out here. I'm expecting swampy. Great news for me is I didn't bring my trekking pole, my normal walking stick, so I could be effed. Just spooked some deer up ahead across the trail. I'm gonna see if I can get on them and get some video. I doubt it. No such luck with the deer. This bird like landed on the top of this tree and shook it, and all this water like poured down on me. The bird made this like laughing chirp. I kid you not, I wish I would have been filming during it. It's like, what the heck? So far I've spooked out several grouse. There's tons of bird calls, birds singing, seen some deer across the path, and I've heard other stuff rustling through. I don't know if it's after this big storm, you know, that they are all just like, they gotta be out and they're loving it. A couple little bit of muddy parts up ahead, but so I'm gonna give the old waterproof oboes a run for their money today. Too bad, that was the worst of it. I just passed this nice couple. They're talking about how nice it is out and gorgeous hike. I said bye, and they're heading in the way I just came from, and I probably should have said, you're in for a muddy walk if you've never done this before. Oops. I just made this video of me running up a 1,200 foot incline trail and then running down it. You know, not all of it, just a portion of it, just to show kind of what I was doing for some cardio out here. And my water bottle even fell out of my backpack, so I had to go back up and get it. And none of it recorded. Amazing. So here we go again. So if you stuck around the video this long, this is me doing this incline and decline again. Fun.
Is it recording?
If I didn't get it that time, I'm done.